In the fall of 1779, over 500 Chasseurs-Volontaires sailed from Saint-Domingue, the modern island of Haiti. Les Chasseurs-Volontaires de Saint-Domingue left their families to participate in the Georgia campaign under the French commander Charles-Henri d'Estaing.
The drummer represents young Henry Christophe, who participated in the October 9, 1779 Battle of Savannah. Christophe later became a leader in the struggle for Haitian independence from French colonial rule, ending in 1804. A commander of the Haitian army, he became King of Haiti, being among the first heads of state of African descent in the Western Hemisphere.
The largest unit of soldiers of African descent who fought in the American Revolution was the brave Les Chasseurs-Volontaires de Saint-Domingue from Haiti. This regiment consisted of freemen who volunteered for a campaign to capture Savannah from the British in 1779.
In its fourth year, the American Revolution had become an international conflict. Rebelling American colonies and their French allies attempted to capture Savannah from the British in 1779. Haitian soldiers of African descent were part of the Allied forces. Following the battle, many of these Haitians were diverted to other military duties, returning to their homes years later, if at all. Although hundreds of other Chasseurs-Volontaires remain anonymous today, a number of them are documented and listed below. We honor all of their collective sacrifices, known and unknown.
Hello.
I am so happy to be here. I am crazy happy. And I know a lot of these people that paid for this.
In the Battle of Savannah on October 9, 1779, Les Chasseurs-Volontaires de Saint-Domingue, our forefathers, fought alongside the American army of General Benjamin Lincoln, distinguishing themselves by their bravery as part of the reserve. They provided cover during the retreat of American and French allies, saving many lives by deterring a fierce counterattack by defending British troops.